In this video, I want to go over a utility for Linux users called Caffeine. And if you found this video on YouTube, I will provide a link below the video that will show you a description of it and multiple ways of installing it on different Linux distributions. Now, Caffeine prevents your desktop from becoming idle when the application is running in full screen. Now, I've already got it installed on this system. I don't have it running in my taskbar yet or my system tray. But here's what it looks like. It looks like a little coffee cup when it's inactive or deactive. When it's active, it looks like a coffee cup with steam from it. And basically, you click on the icon, click activate to turn it on. Let it run in the background. And if you walk away or doing something on full screen, it won't go into screensaver mode or your screen turn black and requiring you to log in if you have it set with your password. Now, one way you can install Caffeine is via the terminal. You open your terminal, put sudo apt-get update, and after it put your password, and after it updates, so go sudo apt install Caffeine. Another way is you can click this link here that will take you to PKGS, where you can allow you to download the deb file, which is like an executable file for Ubuntu and Debian based users, or the RPM for like Fedora and Fedora based users, and the ZST. I do provide other links as well. Now, the most current one at the time of making this video is 2.9.8-1 for all Debian based systems that are 64-bit. You click that link and it will download. Once it downloads, you double click it and it will open up your package installer. Now, if you don't have GDebian, that's what I'm using, and when you'd like to put it, just copy sudo apt install GDebi, and then it will eventually install the package installer, and then it should look like you see here. And if you want to see the requirement dependency, you can click the details, but I just recommend to click the install package. A screen will pop up prompting you for your password. Once you put in your password, click the authenticate button and wait till it says same version is already installed before closing the package installer. Once you do, it should immediately place it in your menu. And as you can see here, it's got Caffeine and Caffeine indicator if you'd like the indicator to show up on the status bar. And then you can go to About to see more information about it. Now, let me take a look, before we actually look at it, different ways of installing it. One way of installing it is if you have the software Boutique. If you're an Ubuntu Mate user, you can install it by the Boutique by just clicking install. You'd go to accessories, and then where I've got launch, it will have like install. You go up here, click it, and then let it install on your system. Now, if you're not an Ubuntu user but you're an Ubuntu or Debian based system, you can go to software. Once your software loads, you can then go down to utilities, and then if you got it sort by name, you can scroll down, and as you can see here, Caffeine is installed on my system, and I can launch it from the button here, or I could remove it. And it's a pretty good program. It's got 4 out of 5 stars with 24 users rating it. Another way that you can install it is via the app grid. Once app grid loads, you just type in Caffeine, or you can even start. You don't have to wait till it populates a picture. And as you can see here, I've already got it where it says launch and remove. So as you can see here, you can remove it these ways through your different package installers. Now, let's actually take a look at Caffeine. Now, I'm not going to wait for it to show you that it's going to keep it from going idle. Now, it's not running. It's on the task tray, but if I click onto it, I can click active, or I can click the About. As you can see here, it's version 2.9. You can click and go to the website or learn more about the public license. You can look at the credits. You can close the About screen. Another thing you can do is hit quit. So there's not a lot of features. You just turn it on, and you really don't see anything taking place when you turn it on. You just see the little looks like steam coming from the cup. That just means if I go full screen with some application after a given period of time, when a screensaver would normally come on or your system would normally go idle, it will keep it from doing that. So that is the purpose of using Caffeine. So Caffeine not only keeps humans awake, it now keeps Linux system. And this is nothing new. This is an old program, but it still works with the newer, or at least Ubuntu Mate 20.04, the long-term support, and I'm assuming it will work on newer versions as well. So hopefully this has been a short video, but I hope it's been beneficial to you, and have a great day.